is just about summertime, and many of you know that I love a really good bowl for dinner. So today, I'm gonna share with you one of my absolute favorite bowls for summertime, my Heat of the Summer bowl, with delicious grilled chicken, some mozzarella cheese, some really easy tomato and corn salad, some grilled zucchini, all on top of a bed of quinoa with some pesto on top. It is all of the flavors of summer in a really delicious and balanced bowl. So let's go ahead and get cooking.
Start by cooking your quinoa. My favorite way to cook quinoa is in a rice cooker. I'm using 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water, and I'm setting it and moving on with the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm going to cook up my chicken. This is lemon garlic marinated chicken. It is such an easy marinade, so flavorful. I also like my Greek marinade, and I'll put both of those recipes in the description box below. While the chicken's cooking, I am working on making pesto. You don't have to make your own homemade pesto, but it's so easy. I'm starting with 1/2 cup of almonds, and I'm just pulsing them in the food processor for a bit. Of course, I'm adding a big handful of basil, and I always like to add extra veggies, so I'm adding a big handful of spinach too. A clove of garlic, about 1/2 cup of Parmesan, but you can make it dairy-free, a pinch of salt, the juice of 1/2 a lemon, and then I'm topping it with just a drizzle of olive oil, but you don't need to do a ton, you'll add more later. I'm just blending it all together until it is mostly blended, and then I'm taking that olive oil again, and streaming it in until it reaches the desired consistency. Don't forget to season it to taste when it's the consistency you want. So good. Next, I'm going to make the broiled corn and tomatoes. I love this recipe. I'm using frozen corn and about 1 cup of grape tomatoes, topping it with some avocado oil, of course, seasoning with salt, tossing it all together, and I'm gonna broil it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes pop and the corn is nice and golden. Once the chicken is all done, I'm going to take it off of the grill or the grill pan, and I'm just gonna grill up some zucchini. This is optional, but I love adding grilled veggies to this bowl, especially if you're grilling it on a grill in the summertime. All right, let's assemble our bowls. Start with that quinoa. I just chopped up the chicken, adding the zucchini, some mozzarella balls, and of course, that broiled tomato and corn salad. Don't forget to top with pesto.
Well, I don't really even know what to say other than I really want to eat this right now. This is, like I said in the beginning, one of my favorite summer bowls. It comes together so quickly with the quinoa, the grilled chicken, the zucchini, and you can mix it up with any sort of vegetables you want to throw on the grill, but you've got to serve it with the pesto and the mozzarella and those broiled tomatoes and corn. It is so good. I hope you will try this yourself. If you do, shoot me a message over on Instagram at Healthy Mama Chris. If you liked this video, hit the like button down below, and if you want more easy, delicious, and family-friendly balanced recipes, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!